Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to combine tracking and kerning for professional typography in Photoshop. Now I open Photoshop and create a medium canvas for a headline design. First I type a title using a bold and clean font. Then I highlight the text and adjust tracking to evenly space all letters. After that I adjust kerning for specific character pairs to fix visual imbalance. Now I duplicate the text layer and apply different tracking values for comparison. Next, I combine tracking adjustments with subtle layer styles like drop shadow or inner glow. Then I check alignment with guides to maintain visual symmetry. After this, I tweak tracking again to achieve optimal spacing and flow. Now I zoom out to review overall aesthetics and